Just one quick flight away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With plenty of water sports to choose from, you'll never be short of something to do. The sunbeds are plentiful, so you'll be able to sit back and soak up the sunshine. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. The wide range of sights and activities make this a perfect spot for the next family getaway. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.